Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
Now, let's examine the model answer for option B if you need more time to read it. Please pause the video. Let's analyze this strong response to the email task. If you need more time to review the text, feel free to pause the video now. This email effectively addresses all three bullet points from the prompt. It starts by providing clear details about the broken machine, identifying it as the second one from the door, and explaining that it did not start its cycle. Next, the writer describes the problems this issue is causing for residents in the neighborhood. They note that with one machine broken, it creates long delays, which is a serious concern. Finally, the email suggests a clear solution by asking the manager to arrange for a repair technician and to provide a refund. The organization is excellent. The email uses a polite, semi-formal greeting, "Dear Mr. Chen," which is appropriate for a building manager. It has a clear opening sentence stating the purpose, two logical body paragraphs, and a professional closing. This structure makes the message easy to understand. To connect ideas, the writer uses simple linking words like because and therefore. The vocabulary is mostly simple for easy understanding, but it includes two excellent B2 level words, inconvenient and promptly. These words show a stronger command of English and fit the context perfectly. Let's analyze this well-written response for option A if you want more time to study the answer. You can pause the video now. The writer clearly communicates their choice in the first sentence. They then support it with two distinct and well-explained reasons. The first reason is that a garden benefits everyone, helping people of all ages get gentle exercise and fresh air. The second reason focuses on community spirit, explaining how working together on a garden builds friendships and encourages collaboration. These specific details make the argument very persuasive. The response is organized perfectly for this task. It has a clear introduction stating the choice, followed by two separate body paragraphs, each one developing a single reason. The conclusion briefly summarizes the writer's position. This logical structure makes the answer easy to follow. The tone is polite and suitable for a community survey. To connect ideas, the writer uses simple and effective linking words like firstly and in addition. The vocabulary is accessible, but it also includes two excellent B2 level stretch words, nutritious and collaboration. These words are used correctly and show a stronger command of English. Now let's examine this strong response that supports option B. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you'd like to read the text more carefully. This answer succeeds because it clearly states its preference for the playground in the introduction and provides two solid reasons to back it up. The writer first argues that a new playground is needed to give children a safe and modern play area, which helps with their physical and social health. The second reason is that it makes the community more attractive to young families, which is a good long-term benefit. The organization of the response is excellent. It follows a standard and effective structure, an introduction that states the main choice, two body paragraphs that each explain a different reason, and a short conclusion. This paragraphing makes the writer's argument logical and easy to read. The tone is persuasive and respectful, which is perfect for this task. Notice the simple linking words like the first reason and furthermore that guide the reader through the points. While most of the vocabulary is common, the writer includes two slightly more advanced words to impress the reader: essential and attractive.